You are watching Shayna-Renee.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shayna-Renee. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where we have a great time over here. I do a lot of fun content. You guys are here today because you've seen that I put myself up to a challenge. I wanted to turn my lingerie into streetwear, and you're gonna see how I did it. Spoiler alert, it came out amazing. It looks fire, and I promise you, you're gonna be like, oh snap, I didn't think of this. I got you. I'm give you some ideas on what to think of as you're styling yourself, and also what I was thinking of when I was styling this video. I have ways where you can learn to style yourself or to think outside the box, and you're gonna love it. You're definitely gonna love it. In this video, I'm gonna give you two ways I style the same lingerie. The first one I styled in May, and then the second one I styled in November, both of 2024. So you're gonna get two different vibes of, I guess how my style changed or expanded in the span of 6 months. A quick disclaimer is I made this video originally for Instagram and TikTok. I just thought about putting it on YouTube, so the editing style is a little different from my normal content, but it's still good, it's still informative, and you're gonna love it. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this style of editing, or just let me know how you feel about the video in general. If you learned something, if you feel like you didn't learn something, which would be a cap, because I know you're going to learn something for sure. But yeah, let's get on with this video. This top is actually cute by itself. This is built into this, so I have to leave that on. First thing I want to do, I'm going to add a white top to it, and I think I have the perfect one. So I'm gonna go with this. This kind of really wasn't planned, to be honest, but we just gonna go with it. I think this top will look super cute. I don't want it to look too Britney Spears. You drive me crazy. I just can't sleep. Crack, crack.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Anyway, back to our scheduled programming. I don't want to look too Britney Spears, so I have like a boxy type of white top. And then from there, we're gonna see what's gonna happen, because I don't know yet, but I know I can make something work. Let's get it. Okay, so all in all, this is cute, to be honest. I would make this a little longer, or probably have on some shorts under this, but I would kind of go out with this vibe. But I feel like this is so like, we've seen this already. How can you make it a little different? So I'm gonna do a little razzle dazzle, and I'm gonna switch things up. I'm thinking about adding this skirt, and I've been wearing this a lot. Like, I just been throwing it on outfits, and I love it. So I'm gonna put this under here, and we're gonna see what's up, because this, I could do better. I could do better. So my original thought was putting this under, and I don't like it. So I'm going to put it on top, and I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to see what it looks like. I have it under, and I think this looks really cute, but you know me, I like a little more scandalous type of vibe. So we're going to pull this up. I'm going to pin it together somehow, pull this up, and then we're gonna see what it does. Okay, I think this definitely looks better with this hiked up like this, but I still feel like I don't like this outfit just yet. I'm gonna have to finagle something. Like, this is cute, but at the same time I feel like it's too dressed up, and I want to have it more of a street chic type of vibe. So I'm gonna switch out the footwear, and then I'm going to come back with some accessories and the final look. All right, y'all, this is the final look. I know some of y'all gonna like it and some of y'all not, but I think it's super cute and I love it. Y'all see how that little leg is coming out? A little sexy. Love it. I, of course, added my accessories to make the outfit pop, which is what I'm about to show y'all. So I went light on the rings. I added these two little brooches, and then y'all see the shades. Of course, I kept the hat. I was thinking about switching it out, but I didn't. I pulled my hair back so you can see my little elephant stud. I did gold and green, and that's it. I just kept it light and cute. And then this bag, I feel like it goes with the Timbs, and I like this, like, what's it called, the bum bag, just to give it a little cute vibe with it instead of a purse. I feel like a purse would have made it too much dressy, and I'm going for the street chic. She's kind of dressed up, but she's still a little street and hood, and she's from New York City. That's what I'm giving. So Yeah, I think this is cute. Love the vibe, love the outfit. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Would y'all wear this like this or not? I'm probably gonna wear it soon. Do I know where? I don't know. So if you see me wearing this and you saw it on my Instagram, show me some love and let me know what you think about it. And that's it. I'm gonna do it again, but I'm gonna do it how I would do it today. I did that video in May and now we're in November, so I'm gonna show you guys how I would do the same thing but differently. I'm gonna keep the thigh highs and I'm going to keep the top and I'm gonna cook from there. I do want to make sure I wear all of the pieces and show you exactly how to wear it outside in the streets. I'm gonna take this down because I want to wear it as a button-up shirt, and then I have an idea of wearing it with a dress, so we're gonna see how that goes. Now that we have the shirt on, I want to put on this dress because I think it's gonna look cute. I think this dress is going to do the trick because what I have in my mind is something similar to an outfit that I already wore before. In my head, I'm like, oh, this is gonna eat. Whew. This is the direction that I'm kind of going in. I think this would look super cute. I don't know. I feel like maybe if I get rid of the tie somehow, if I do something like this. So this looks better. I think this looks cute, but I don't know. Honestly, I'm thinking I should pull this down and make it a skirt. And I want to see how that looks. When I was pulling it up, I was looking in the mirror and I'm like, wait a minute, this will look cute as a skirt. But I was like, let me see it through. Got to see it through, my boy. Got shit through, my boy. Got to see it through. What do y'all think? Yes, this is going in a great direction. I absolutely love it. The boxy top just gives it a nice different feel. I think this looks so much better with this skirt down like this. I thought it was cute before, but this, I feel like it's giving a nice little elevation to the outfit. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like when I pull everything together, because this it's already giving me a yes, and you was probably thinking no, but I got you. Like I said, I got you. I think adding this would be really cute because it has a nice soft material, curly and kind of giving like schoolgirl-ish. I'm gonna test it out. I thought this was gonna look really cute together, but it's giving little old lady trying to be cute and young. At least that's what I'm thinking. But looking at it, maybe if it was like cropped more, I feel like it needs some type of space between it. Or I really don't like it. Maybe a pop of color, like the yellow in this, or the blue or the yellow would be fire. I think I'm gonna go with like a yellow jacket, a yellow blazer, and I'm gonna see if that's gonna give me the look that I'm looking for. So I think adding this blazer will do the trick because it gives like a nice little pop of color. And I think it's going to be a vibe. Also, it's going to be a little cold. So I definitely want to keep this on under because I'm going to be cold. And I know sometimes you got to sacrifice looking cute and being cold. And we're not doing that today. I'm trying to be a little warm. So we're going to keep this on. I'm going to throw this over and I'm going to see if this works. We're moving in the right direction. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, woo, woo. Chugga, chugga. Yes, we are moving along, and I think adding this layer looks amazing. Absolutely yes. One, because it ties in like the little bit of yellow. The yellow is making it stand out for sure. Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. I think it's a great look, and it's a great color, especially on my skin. Melanin. I was thinking about trying the Timbs again, but I think I want to try something different. I have these high boots, and I think they might look cute with this, so let's see what happens. These are the boots I'm thinking about adding because I feel like this is going to elevate the look. I feel like it's going to look super cute and it's going to give it that dressed up, dressed down look. I feel like it definitely gives that dressed up but still yet dressed down look. And I feel like it's going in the direction that I want to go into with the street chic. It's elevating the outfit a little bit more. It's feeling a little bit more girly, a little bit grunge, but I feel like it's definitely giving that toned down, dressed down vibe I was going for, and I'm absolutely loving it. I feel like we can definitely add more to this outfit to give it a little something more, but I love the direction that I'm going in. I have an idea of some jewelry that I want to wear. I think I want to go very simple because I feel like this outfit already feels like it's a lot happening, but in a good way. So I think I want to go with jewelry that's somewhat simple. I did rings, just a few of them. The jewelry added is really cute. It's not too much, but it's not a little bit. I went with very simple rings. I didn't stack them up like crazy. I know I love stacked bangles, so I did a stack here, and then I did basic here, and now we're gonna move on to how we gonna elevate this outfit even more. I think I need to find a bag, so let's see what's gonna happen. This is the cute bag that I'm gonna wear. I feel like it gives it a nice elegant touch. It's not too big and it's not too small, and I feel like it really just ties the outfit in together, and I'm really starting to like it. What do y'all think? I definitely like it, and it's a cute addition, but I feel like it's missing something. So in my head, I want to add a hat. I don't want to do a beret like I did for the last look, but I definitely think to add that streetwear element, I think a hat is needed. So let me cook. Give me a second. I'm not going to do my hair because I think I'm going to wear this hat, so it doesn't matter. And when I wear hats, I don't like to have makeup on my hair, so I'm going to keep this band on to protect this hat from getting makeup on it. What do you think with the hat? I think I like it. I think it adds. This outfit looks super cute and super like fun, street chic like I was going for. But at the same time, I'm a little extra. So I like to add a little razzle dazzle and do too much sometimes. Not all the time. But today, I would do too much and we gonna play. So remember I said I wanted to add the skirt with the shirt. We gonna wear the whole outfit. And before I say, oh my God, the skirt is going to look crazy. You just wait. Maybe on you, but on me, it's going to look great. Let's see. We're going to add this skirt back on. Relax. We're going to add this skirt and it's going to look great. Just relax. You wait and see. I know what you're thinking. Girl, that looks crazy. Why did you do that? I'm about to show you something. So this, I don't like this. This looks absolutely like, girl, no. But this little change is going to make the difference in how fly this outfit looks. Watch. What did I tell you? It came out amazing. I know because I put it together. But yes, I'm pretty sure y'all would have never thought about this. Because I wouldn't have either. I literally got inspired from that last outfit. And I'm like, yeah. Let's do it up. Literally just pulling this skirt down a few inches to let this little black part of the dress show makes it look amazing. And yes, this is the dress that I flipped down to look like a skirt. And look, I feel like adding all the layers to this outfit makes it look really fun and cute. And very stylish. This is definitely wearing versus styling. And which one do you like better? Styling, right? Exactly. I feel like I created a fire look. And if I'm not on your mood board already, you're bugging. Stop playing. Oh, this is so cute. I feel like this is definitely an exact version of street chic like that I was looking for. It gives creative, sophisticated, fun, playful, and just a vibe. And that's what I went for. And look, when I did that first video, I did it in May 2024, and today is November 2nd, 2024. So this is how I would style it months from now. I decided to see what would be different in my mindset and my style choice, or how I would envision pairing it together. And this is what I came up with based on the outfit that I had. And I think this is fly, and it's definitely a style up. And a style up. I meant to say a step up. And it looks cute. I really want my face to show, but if not, I would have went with these sunglasses just so I can look very incognito, very much. Oh, she looks cute. I don't know if I should approach her and tell her, but she's wearing that outfit. So yeah. But anywho, this is the look. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it and if y'all like it. And I will see y'all in a future video. Bye. Later. I'm back. And I know you love the outfits. I hope you made it to the end of this video. and you've seen the magic that happened. I really hope you learned something, and I hope that you can share this with other people because it's very good advice. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this out to other people who might need the help. So I will see y'all in the next one. Later. Oh my God. Let's not have too much skin. Darn it, what was I gonna say? Oh. We don't have time for that. No. I'm just gonna start over.